Hey guys, what's happening? How to change Wise business address. Click your avatar icon at the top right. Okay? You can see right here. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down to find the personal details. Go ahead and click the personal details right here. And now you're gonna see personal information, email address, and phone number. Click the first option. And then you're gonna be able to enter the country of residence. You're gonna enter your first legal and middle name, of course, and the date of birth, phone number, and you're gonna see right here the address, right? You're gonna be able to change the business address or home address in that matter. Okay, so you're gonna be able to change it from here, and you're gonna be able to hit save after you change it on Wise. Or right, if you are using a business account, you can close this and go back to the settings. You're gonna be able to see under the payment methods, you're gonna be able to see business address if you switched your account to a business account. Okay, and you're gonna be able to click and change it the same way, right? The country, and then the zip code, and the address, basically. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.